Have you ever wondered how fresh tomatoes become the sauces and pastes we use every day? Let's take a journey from the farm to the factory. It all begins on the farm. Tomatoes are carefully grown from tiny seeds. When they ripen, farmers harvest them at the perfect time. The tomatoes are packed into crates and sent to the processing factory. When they arrive, workers inspect every batch and remove any damaged tomatoes. Next, the tomatoes go through powerful washing systems, so they become completely clean. Sorting machines separate the best tomatoes for processing. Next, the tomatoes are crushed into pulp. They are gently heated to remove harmful bacteria and soften the pulp. In the pulping machine, the skins and seeds are removed, leaving a smooth, rich puree. The puree is thickened inside special vacuum evaporators until it becomes deep and concentrated. For sauces and ketchup, carefully measured ingredients are added. Salt, sugar, oils, and spices. The finished product is poured into bottles, cans, and sachets. The packages are sealed tightly, unpasteurized so they stay safe and fresh. In the laboratory, technicians test every batch, checking taste, hygiene, and quality. Finally, the finished products are stored from the farm. And that is how fresh tomatoes travel to your kitchen.